Can you
Good,
hear me?
good
Uh,
evening to
All
you.
right. Can you hear me?
Yeah,
Okay, that's great. So, how are you tonight and how?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I am also fine. Thank you so much for asking. So now and how? Can you tell me what did you do today? Do you go to school today and how?
Yeah,
Okay, and what did you do what did you do at school?
I don't understand.
Uh-huh. And then
I
what did
don't
you
understand.
do?
I study, play,
Uh-huh.
play.
And then
I study, play, um,
and then that's all? Do you play with your classmates today? Do you play with your classmates and how?
run.
Oh, so what do you play?
I play then football.
Oh, football? Can you play football?
Yes,
Wow, that's great. Okay, so so aside from football, what sports can you play? Okay, aside from football, what else can you play? Okay, aside from football, baby.
I don't understand.
Okay, you don't, okay, let me translate it, okay? Okay, and give me a few seconds. English to Vietnam. Football. Okay, please listen to this one, baby.
Ngoài bóng đá, bạn còn có thể chơi môn thể thao nào khác?
Okay, one more time.
Ngoài bóng đá, bạn còn có thể chơi môn thể thao nào khác?
Okay, so aside from football, what else can you play?
I play badminton, play volleyball,
Uh-huh.
mm, do
Oh.
karate.
Uh-huh. Wow,
Mm,
you can play a lot. All right, so now and how are you ready to start with our class?
yeah,
Okay, so teacher will be sharing the screen, okay? And just give me a few seconds. All right, so now, how about that and how? Can you see our screen already? Can you see it now?
yeah.
All right, so, okay, good. Wait, give me a few seconds. Okay, give me a few seconds, baby. Uh, okay, so now and how tonight we are going to have lesson 27. So at here we got how was your first date? So basically, when we talk about first date, they usually think about boyfriends or girlfriends. But we can also have a date with a friend or with your family. So now let's have a look with the learning objectives. So in this lesson, you will improve your ability to talk about a first date. So exercise 1, warm up. Listen and repeat words with your tutor. If you don't know a word, ask your tutor to read the definition and example sentence. Okay, so now the first word is restaurant. Okay, can you say it? Restaurant.
Restaurant,
Okay, so what is a restaurant and how? Okay, what is a restaurant? Okay, what is a restaurant?
okay. I don't understand.
Okay, let me type it here for a while and just let me know if you still cannot understand this one. Okay, what is restaurant? Okay, what is restaurant? Okay, so now let me translate it. Again, please listen to this one.
Nhà hàng là gì? Nhà hàng là gì?
Okay, what is restaurant?
Hmm.
What is restaurant, baby? So, a restaurant. Okay, can you read this one and how?
A place where people buy to see and eat meal.
All right. So, a place where people pay to sit and eat meal. Okay, so now, can you please read this one and how?
The
Okay.
restaurant look nice,
The
but
restaurant look nice.
look nice, but
Mhm.
the food were bread,
Uh-huh.
mm, bread, uh, average.
Average. Okay, so that is the restaurant. Okay, so now let's have another word. We got the word park. So what is park? Basta lang na. Ay, di nasa likod. Park. What is park? Okay, can you read this one?
Sometimes go jogging in the park.
Hmm.
Or
And
area of grass, grass and trees
mhm.
where people to relax, exercise.
And etc. Okay, and how about this one and how?
I sometimes go jogging in the park.
All right, I sometimes go jogging in the park. Okay, so next word is cafe. Okay,
Cafe,
what is cafe?
a small restaurant where people buy buy, buy coffee and like meat.
All right, so a restaurant where people buy coffee and light meals. And how about this one?
I full a temporary job as a waitress, waitress,
Waitress.
wa- waitress in a local cafe.
All right, so I found a temporary job as a waitress in a local cafe. Okay, so now our next word is theme park. Okay, what is a theme park? Theme park. Okay, what is theme park?
A large park with much to ride or play games on, as well as restaurant and other entertainment.
And next?
Disney World in Florida is the world more popular than park.
A theme park is a large park with machines to ride or play a game. So just like this one. So like this. Have you seen something like this already and how? So this is the theme park. So we have a lot of games in here. So you can play a lot of things in here. So that is the theme park. So now, bar. Okay, what is bar? Okay, what
A
is bar?
place where people buy and drink alcohol.
Mm-hmm. And then
The bar down the street had
live.
live music more night.
Okay, has live music most nights. So now, a bar, a place where people buy and drink alcohol. The bar down the street has live music most nights. So what is a nightclub? Okay, how about nightclub? What is that? Okay, what is a nightclub?
A place where people go to dance and drink alcohol at night.
Mm-hmm.
Before he became an actor, he worked as a bar bartender
All right,
in
as a
a
bartender.
nightclub.
Uh-huh. So a place where people go to dance and drink alcohol at night. Before he became an actor, he worked as a bartender in a nightclub. Okay, so now stadium. What is stadium?
Stadium.
Okay, what is a stadium?
A sport
Okay,
ground.
a stadium.
Stadium, a sport ground with a
Mm-hmm.
large number of it for people to watch.
Uh-huh.
The new stadium can hold over 5
50,000.
uh,
50,000
50,000
spectators.
spectators.
All right. The stadium, a sport ground with a large number of seats for people to watch. So basically, this is the stadium. Okay. All right. So now we have the last word, theater. Okay. What is a theater?
Theater.
Okay. What
A
is a theater?
building where people go to watch a movie play.
Uh huh.
I love going to the theater. I love going to the theater to watch plays.
Mm-hmm. Okay. A building where people go watch a movie or a play. So something like this. This is a theater. So I love going to the theater to watch plays. So now let's practice. Tell your tutor what you see in each picture. For example, restaurant. So this is the restaurant. So how about this one, baby? What is this?
Stadium,
Stadium. Okay. And how about this one?
nightclub,
This one here. This one, baby.
a Cafe.
All right. So how about this one?
Bar.
A nightclub.
Nightclub.
How about this one?
Uh,
Park.
Park.
How about this one?
Then park.
Theme park. Okay, how about this one?
Theater.
And the last one?
Bar.
All right, club. Okay, so can you think of any places to go on a first date? If so, tell your tutor. If not, go to the next exercise. Can you tell teacher where do you want to go on your next date?
Can you
Okay.
think of any place
What?
to
I cannot hear you, baby.
oh I don't
Okay,
understand.
where do you want to go?
I don't understand.
Oh, you didn't understand. Okay, let me translate it, okay? And give me a few seconds. Uh, English to Vietnamese. Can you think of any more places to go on a first date? If so, tell your tutor. If not, go to the next exercise. Okay, please listen to this one.
Bạn có nghĩ ra thêm
Okay, one more time.
Bạn có nghĩ ra thêm địa điểm nào khác để hẹn hò lần đầu không? Nếu có, hãy nói với giảng viên của bạn. Nếu không, hãy chuyển sang bài tập tiếp theo.
All right, did you hear that? Did you hear that, baby? Hello?
Why? Why?
Okay,
Why?
okay, okay. Okay.
Um, Teacher,
Yes? Yes, baby? I guess you are mute. Ayaw.
teacher,
Yes?
is shopping mall.
Oh, do you want to go to the shopping mall? Okay. So why do you want to go to the shopping mall?
Oh, why? Why? Why?
Okay, okay.
Teacher,
Yes.
villa, villa and
Mm-hmm.
beach.
Beach.
Yeah.
Oh, all right. So that's great that you like beach. So now let's continue already. So let's proceed on the exercise 2, vocabulary. So listen, repeat these words with your tutor. If you don't know word, ask your tutor to read the definition and example sentence. Okay, our first word is uncomfortable.
Comfortable.
Okay, uncomfortable.
Uncomfortable.
All right, so what is uncomfortable?
Uncomfortable.
Okay, what is uncomfortable?
Uncomfortable.
Okay, what is uncomfortable, baby? Okay, can you please read this one? Okay, can you read it, baby?
Touching or feeling an anxiety
10:30.
or awkwardness.
11. Mm-hmm. All right, so causing
She
or feeling
felt
anxious. Uh-huh.
she felt very uncomfortable on the bed.
All right. Okay, so uncomfortable, causing or feeling anxiety or awkwardness. She felt very uncomfortable on the date. Okay, so now, so we got the next word, relax. So what is relax? Okay, what is relax?
Calm and free of worry. He
Mm-hmm.
has a very relaxed and attitude to work.
Okay, so relax, calm, and free of worry. He has a very relaxed attitude towards work. Okay, next, comfortable. What is comfortable? Okay, what is comfortable?
Comfortable.
Okay, what is comfortable, baby?
Free from work restraint at.
Uh-huh.
I feel more comfortable
Okay.
working at home.
Okay, so free from worry, stress, or etc. So I feel more comfortable working at home. Okay, next word, excited.
Excited.
Okay, what is excited?
Having also win a lot of energy,
In
enjoyment,
enjoyment. Okay.
or interest.
Or interest. Okay. So last, I was so excited.
I was so excited about the trip that
Uh-huh.
I could sleep last night.
All right. So having or showing a lot of energy, enjoyment, or interest. So I was so excited about the trip that I couldn't sleep last. Okay. So next word, nervous.
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 Okay. What is a nervous? All right, so
No.
on how? Let's just proceed this one in our next class, okay? We're going to
Okay.
have the nervous, shy, awkward, and confident. So wait, let me take a note for a while. So on how and how is page and how is lesson 27, exercise 2. Okay, all right, so now and how for tonight, that would be all. I hope you learned, you enjoy, and you had fun during our class. So bye bye for tonight and how, and see you again next time.
Goodbye, teacher.
Goodbye, good night,
Goodbye, teacher.
goodbye.